Latest software development trends in 2023. Since digital products determine the creation of sustainable and adaptable businesses, software developers and IT specialists play a critical role in building the post-pandemic world. Let's look at the tools and strategies they use to achieve better results. 1. Blockchain goes beyond cryptocurrency. The time when blockchain technology was associated with cryptocurrency only is gone. Blockchain is now one of the key trends in the software industry. Experts note a staggering growth of blockchain adoption in many fields. The thing is that this distributed, decentralized system provides an exceptional level of security and transparency for various transactions, and can be applicable to many business sectors beyond fintech. Here are some examples. Supply chain monitoring systems in logistics, automotive, agriculture, oil and gas industry. Accounting software systems ensuring the traceability of energy consumption. Platforms for intellectual property protection. Software systems for secure electronic voting. Thus, a growing number of blockchain-based applications will increasingly emerge in various fields. 2. Cloud computing facilitates collaboration. The apparent trend is that software development companies will more actively use cloud-native solutions for app development, team management, and communication. These are software products and services hosted in public, private, or hybrid clouds. They are infrastructure agnostic and can run on multiple servers, so any company can easily adopt them. Based on containers and microservices, cloud-native software solutions provide flexibility and scalability, and improve the productivity of software development teams. It should be noted that the demand for cloud services and tools has grown due to the necessity to facilitate remote work. Companies have had to implement the appropriate infrastructure and support employees in creating a work environment in their home offices. 3. Python takes the lead. For many years, the list of the most used programming languages among software developers worldwide was dominated by JavaScript. Since 2020, Python has been rushing to the top of that list, and in December 2021, it managed to become the leader. According to the latest updates of the TIOBA Index and the PayPal Index in June 2022, Python was the top computer language. It seems Python's growing popularity will continue well into 2023 and beyond, as it is the favorite language of developers creating software solutions with AI and ML-based features. As mentioned earlier in this article, artificial intelligence stands proudly among the top software development trends for 2023. 4. Tensorflow boosts AI development. Artificial intelligence (AI) technology is no longer considered futuristic as it's applied in many business sectors. Groundbreaking AI applications can process images, detect objects, and recognize human speech. In 2021, the global artificial intelligence market reached a value of $56.5 billion, according to a Mark Group. By 2027, this figure could reach $308.5 billion. When creating such software systems, programmers implement deep learning concepts using special AI libraries and frameworks. And one of the essential trends in software development this year is the use of Tensorflow for AI development. Tensorflow is an open-source deep learning framework developed by Google. This complex mathematical tool is currently the leading platform for building and training neural networks. On the one hand, this is a comprehensive ecosystem of the libraries, tools, and various resources needed to create intelligent models and algorithms. On the other hand, the framework is flexible and user-friendly, making it easy for developers to build advanced software. 5. Infrastructure as Code (IAC) eliminates management issues. Modern application development environments are intricate, with all the clusters, microservices, containers, APIs, serverless functions, and interdependencies that developers should keep track of. In such conditions, DevOps specialists are under constant pressure as they must ensure app stability and security. At the same time, developers are required to accelerate code development and even faster deployment. 6. Devsecops enhances the role of security. Devsecops is the evolution of DevOps. This approach alters the traditional role of the security department in code development. Earlier, QA specialists joined the process after the completion of the main development stage. Under the Devsecops approach, their participation is a must at all stages. Thus, security practices become an integral part of the development cycle, starting with the planning of the app architecture. This allows you to identify issues at early stages and eliminate them immediately, without accumulating them in the app till the final stage. The rise of Devsecops can be explained by the increasing adoption of microservices and cloud-native app development, and consequently, the need to quickly find and solve issues in these complicated architectures. 7. Lowcode/no-code, LCNC, speeds up software development. Software engineering is moving towards simplification, with a new approach to creating software solutions known as low-code/no-code, LCNC, development. LCNC platforms enable practically anyone to develop software without traditional coding via graphical user interfaces and configuration. Such programming environments have great potential because they allow people to implement their ideas into digital solutions with limited or no software development skills. 80% of respondents believe that the low-code approach can free up developers so that they could work on higher-level projects. 72% of low-code developers create software apps 2 times quicker than those using traditional development. The global value of the low-code development platform market is projected to be $46.4 billion by 2026, growing at a CAGR of 25% during this period. While many developers are skeptical about the low-code development approach, it brings a range of benefits such as manual work reduction, time and money savings for creating software solutions, and a lower barrier for entry into software development. 8. Progressive Web Applications, PWA, save costs. For many businesses, the development of progressive web apps, PWA, is proving to be the right choice. Being regular websites by nature, these software solutions may also act as traditional mobile apps. Users don't need to download PWAs like mobile apps, but can enjoy the same look and feel. This drastically improves engagement and user experience. PWA development and maintenance is more cost-efficient for companies, so more startups and small businesses will be inclined to choose this type of software. 9. IoT continues its expansion. The software development trends of 2023 cannot do without IoT. The Internet of Things continues to evolve, expanding opportunities for software developers and business verticals. One of this year's significant IoT trends is the enhancement of digital twin technology. Using digital twins, you can replicate real systems in the virtual environment and experiment with variables there. This way, you search for optimization without impacting daily operations. For example, by creating a digital twin of a logistics infrastructure, you can simulate possible issues in the supply chain and take measures to eliminate them before they ever arise in real life. Another crucial aspect of the IoT industry is edge computing. Over the past year, more organizations have been moving their analytics and decision-making from centralized cloud platforms to the edge, i.e., closer to the data source. 10. 5G technology opens up more opportunities. 5G connectivity implementation is among the top trends for 2023. The major reason for this is that the technology helps companies realize the full potential of IoT ecosystems. The more reliable the connectivity is, the better the performance demonstrated by connected devices. Initially launched in 2018, the superior fifth-generation standard of mobile connectivity, 5G, is currently going mainstream, promising the following benefits for IoT solutions. Low latency, high speed, ubiquitous coverage. Energy efficiency. 5G networks allow enterprises to increase the number of connected devices in their business processes and leverage value. For instance, IoT and 5G contribute to digital transformation in municipalities, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, and other areas. Particularly, 5G can contribute to the wider adoption of remote surgery or remote maintenance of industrial machinery in hazardous conditions. Thus, many companies will be able to offer new services, especially those based on the real-time processing of data from numerous sensors.